Hi guys, we're heading to Mountain County, guys. We're going to get my naughty son some clothes. Yeah, see how when I mentioned him? Yeah, he stressed me out this morning. That one there. Yeah, but I gotta go. He wants a shirt because he wants to look all nice for his nephew's baby reveal party, or it's not a party, I'll get together anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and help my son get him a shirt. He wants a new pair of shoes. Yeah, and bits and pieces like that. Okay guys, so you guys can come along with us. But you know that guy back there? Yeah, he gave me a stressful date this morning, 5 minutes ago. Nah, he's alright. I'm just in my feelings. You know, if you're fussy feelings, yeah, those kind of feelings. Okay, bye guys. I'll meet you inside the shopping center. This driver trying to crash. Okay, yeah, bye guys.
Hey mom. Oh, you
Yeah.
can go.
Taro Cash.
Oh, did Brenda get an invite?
Oh, do you have to wear what you think the baby's gonna be?
Gender reveal.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I didn't know. Oh, okay. What about that place?
I reckon it's gonna be a boy mom.
Oh, do you think it's gonna be pink? Well, what do you think it is? Sorry. Yeah. I will. What about this place? Noah. Noah. Just get a nice simple plain shirty. I gotta wear the summer short. What about pineapple? Yes, there's a pineapple. Yeah, you can get a nice pair of shorts here too. Alright, thanks. How are you? Money talking to the mannequin. Oh, this one then. That's nice.
I reckon you're 32. You reckon he's 32?
Oh, just go and take it inside and try it out now. You don't like this one? What about the roses? That looks nice. They sort of look like your shirts, hey? Guys, do you think this looks like a girl's shirt? It's something what my mom will wear. And me, what am I talking about? These are nice shirts. Oh no, there's a nice shirt up there. Oh, okay, what about this one here? Grandma's shirt. Yeah, you might as well get your short here while we're here. What about that one, Noah?
You got something.
So he goes on the phone instead of doing the shopping. You know what? I have short, you know, I got no time to wait around and wait for him to have yap on the phone. Oh, that's a pink shirt, apricot looking shirt. Ah, what do you think? Look, it's got a short sleeve and it's got a nice material too. I like this kind of material. Come here. This one here. That is pinkish. Noah, this is pinkish. There you go. That's a nice shirt. You just said no to. You can even buy a hat here too. Over there. Oh, I think they're scattered everywhere. Yeah. And look for a short here too. Oh, okay. I don't even know what am I wearing that day. Okay, wait. Where's the mirror?
Get a hat.
What do you guys think? Oh, and it fits too. I don't know what I'm wearing though. Oh, would it even suit what I'm gonna wear? Man, I look like Farmer Joe. Does that song say looky looky? Looky looky! Yeah, hurry hurry! And I still haven't found me that purse that I'm after. It's gotta be a little one. Oh, not that little. You're blocking it with your thumb. Okay. Oh, so you were blocking it all the time even yesterday. That's nice. Now where's this boy gone? Oh, it's gonna be a hot day. So I wanna find me a nice cat. I don't know. Yeah. What is this place called? Oh, so they custom print here, guys. Yeah, the pink t-shirt. Yeah, that's
I told him just wear pink shirts. It's gonna be hot anyways.
That's nice, but make it like big. Baggy, eh?
Yeah, what size is that?
And I go for large.
He wants to show off the biceps.
If you It is a nice shop. You can get your stuff printed here on a t-shirt. Oh, I didn't know that. Now I know. Go for large. For large. Yeah, large, and then we'll get that one for you.
I told you, he wants to get it.
But that's medium.
Exactly.
Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? You're gonna be picky, end up with nothing.
Sure.
What is it? No, it's her, not me. Yeah. Oh, what a nice shirt.
You should get it in case you don't find anything else.
Yeah, I'll go just in case. I was gonna wear it out.
He wants extra. Mate, get small or medium. I know what you want.
Well, get that medium one then if you don't want to get the large. What a crybaby. Hey, look at this cookie. Oh, see, hey. Oh, when we have a baby, I know. Cookies, I don't even know. There's new wear. Look. Yeah, representing the new wear. And the cookies.
There's a bird.
Hey, that's cookies. That's no one. That's Andre's number. The date of birth. Yeah? No, that's Paris. Anyway, just put on, try it on. Hey, look at this. We'll get this one. That's for chocolate chip.
That's the medium.
That's the one you need.
If you got the large,
Nah, yeah, large is no good. That's right. See, it fits you not tightly. Kopeia. Whatever. Only get it if you're gonna wear it again.
no, definitely.
I'm gonna wear it like after.
Yeah, okay. Hurry up. How much is that one? Okay, we'll get that one. We'll go and look for your shirt. Yeah, this one. Yes, please. Okay, what's up? Well, then you know we need to come and give us the rest.
You told a couple years ago.
Can you buy me some fruit?
From where? From where?
So whenever you buy yourself.
Yeah, maybe.
No, I like that awful he's wearing. No, why?
I don't know.
We should try breakfast here. Oh no, I've got to do my mukbang. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, Mount Druitt. This is good old Mount Druitt, guys. Love it or leave it. Imagine being in that car. What would I even do with it? Oh, God. So it's the shorts.
The box. I'm not wearing pants on my leg. Run out of
you're picky. I like those people that go, oh yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, I'll get that one. Yeah, blah blah blah.
That's why I shop online. I feel like I shop online, guys. I feel like
So you can label. Oh, hey, hang on. Oh, this is a really nice shirt. Noah. Yeah. Noah, look. These are nice. Pardon? Yeah, what? What? Yeah, I know, but you can get this as a good pair of shoes to go, you know, restaurant and that, and then we'll get you another pair so you can wear out other places. But try this one on. Yeah, that looks nice. Do you want to get another?
Do you want to go for something a bit, say, in the future when I love something like that, or do you want to pick the shop sleeves, right?
Yeah, summer's coming.
I already know your size because it's medium, correct? Yours a medium? Yeah. So yeah, we're just going in now to get tried on again.
Yeah, yeah.
Which one should we go to, man? Maybe something like this, like a square.
Blue. That one like that, the black one. Shit, that nearly fell off my arms. No, my big butt.
I like the white up top, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel like it'll get dirty.
Yeah, yeah, and then he won't want to wear it again.
You'll have one stain and he's like, nah.
Oh, can I get that?
Which one?
Are you even gonna wear it? You know what? I don't know, that boy. That's the one I was looking at. Yes. One more. What about that black one up there? Noah, the black one up there. Okay, blah blah blah. Oh, that's similar. Yeah, you're not gonna get the one. Okay.
Actually, that's me.
Yeah, thank you.
And literally. Too easy, bro. And the sunglasses as well. Yeah, I don't know what you want. Get that?
Oh, nah. You're better off getting stuff in that last one. Okay then. Just say. Oh, that's what Jerome has. Jerome has something like this.
Yeah, because Sharon might take mine. Or thank you too. Hey.
Why do you keep saying that? What about this one?
Probably the all black one.
Well, what's wrong with this one?
It's like that.
He can't even see what's in there. You probably go, oh,
It's
Brandon,
not
what's time?
fashion, man.
But he can't tell the time like that. Oh.
You know how all the boys are all different and stuff. Like Jerome has.
Yeah, no, it's just
Yeah, that one.
added to, yeah, it does look nice on the back of it.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Where's the gender reveal, man?
Saturday.
They put in my little snippets and stuff like that. I guess into that thing that you wear like a certain color. Yeah.
And I think it's a girl because that's why he was wanting a pink shirt. Oh.
What would you do, right? Pink is such a. The black thing.
This is where I like buying my popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh, that last seat's nice. See, and you can get a cool soup. All this lovely food.
Chris. Chris.
I don't think they have big chicken
Hey, someone left their cards. Who's yours? Okay, just leave them here. They might come back. So what drinks are you going to get? Okay. Yeah. Can I have a Sue Taro with the bubble, please? Yes. What about you? No one? Oh, free, please. Yes, yes please. Thank you. Oh. Shoulda. Okay, next time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, get it for next time.
Well, what was frappe? It's just a milky. No, it's cream, isn't it?
Yeah.
They
Wonder what it
put
is.
cream on it.
Why didn't it say before? Oh, this is oldest.
No. Second youngest.
Hey, Spotto. Over there. Is that a
Wait,
Spotto?
I'm gonna find tea.
No, it's gold. But there is a yellow gold. And that one is greenish. Let's go.